Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Gene Info. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about Belief Club says allowing his young to pursue solo career by exciting in Hypen is most fulfilling approach. Hey, Libel reveals through their thought process behind the approval of his young exit from In Hypen, written by Rishi Krawal, journalist, published on 12 March 2026. On 10 March 2026, Belief Lab announced the departure of member Hee Seung from the boy group in Hypen effective immediately and their plan to continue as a heptad soon. The K-pop singer himself penned a handwritten letter to his fans sharing his plans to return with a solo career away from the group's activities. Later, former fellow members voiced their support for the star's decision and shared their plan to respect it aimed fan backlash and mounting pressure for his return. The agency has shared a new reaction providing more insight into his exit. In Hypen's company talks about the reason for reshuffling the team and plans for Hee after he decided to leave. In a note to Billboard, the Hype label revealed that their decision to let Taeseong leave was based on the star's willingness to kickstart a successful solo run. And they also found it to be the best way forward for team in Hyben as a six piece rather than affecting either party belief. Lab said we concluded that allowing Hyeseong to focus fully on his career as a solo artist rather than pursuing solo activities within the team would be the most fulfilling approach for both in Hypen and Hyeseong. Appearing on the morning show for the first time since their reshuffle, the group members focused on their way ahead and did not address Hyeseong quitting the team. The group's latest comeback was in January 2026 when they dropped their seventh new mini album Descent, Vanish, with the members all set to make for world concerts, including one in Australia. Following the announcement, Hyunjin's participation in Fan Call's upcoming performances and other group involvements have been cancelled or moved to solo format. Meanwhile, in Hypen was formed with seven members who participated in Ireland back in 2020 with the lineup of Hyun, Jae, Jake, Songhoon, Sonu, Jongwon, and Nikki. They made their debut with the first LP Border Day 1 and the Tata track Giving Taken. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time.